Okay, so here is my makeup pouch, hair oil, and then I have my little perfume, and this is my setting spray, foundation, hair tie, bobby pin, mascara, jewelry. Here for the formal one, I bring this one, and this is for the casual one. Foundation thing, I don't know, brush, eyebrow pencil, here, brow para, my eyeshadow. This is my makeup palette. I have all of it here. This is my blush, highlighter, bronzer, hair stick ball, another mascara, brow scissor, not scissor, but yeah, brush for eyeliner brush, ear pick, and also I don't know what it's called, and I put it all here. And the second is all my medicine. I'm not preparing this by myself. It's all from my mom. She brought headache pills and for my flu. And this is my Sunny's. Huge. There's a pouch in a pouch. Ta-da! I really love this one. Socks, patches for. And it has Marilyn Monroe patch, and I think I'm going to wear this to bring my tripod. And here is my pajamas. This is my underwear and also my bra for sleep, pants, first pants for sleeping, top to be the pair of these pants. This is the shirt and also the pants, and I think I'm going to wear this for another occasion if needed. And this is my, and here, bra here, beanie, parka jacket that I got from Mango. And this is all the top that I'm going to bring. Gray turtleneck. Ta-da! This is all my pants. My t-shirt here. Orange corduroy pants. Cute! So this is a white black pants in a black color. Okay. This is for all the hip back, the belt I brought. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to put there is my belt here. And these pants here. All the, yeah, whatever. we're moving to the backpack. And here is 500 milligram bottle with all the snacks that I'm going to bring. So if I got hungry and I don't want to spend some money, all the snacks that I got. Okay, so in the back, yes, here, in here, for some personal item, like, and I have my essence, bring this sunscreen too. I also have water cream because bring the paracetamol, and this for my eyes, and floss. Also my daily, these two sunnies. I put it here. This is my sling bag, and I brought this compression sock that I'm going to wear in the airplane. A safe inside this book so I can read it. In this Paris notebook that barely wrote in it, but I think it's this pen to put it here. And my camera here. This pouch is more important, like my AirPod, my iPad charger, and I put it here. That's all the DJI microphone, this my camera charger, and also this is my another charger, and this is my memory card. Here I just in case I got lost my luggage or even bag. And on the back iPad, full journal. And yeah, here I brought not my luggage lost. I have on my travel. I'm going to bring this one, also this one.